can do.
Or in this case for me, it's chainsaw and shoot. Let's go. We lag down too much. It should take too long.
Oh no!
Get over there. Get over there.
Fuck!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm clearing the path for you.
Oh shit. Fucking shot Master Chief with grenades.
Whoops.
Oh, Doyle.
Oh no, Doylene! No.
Come on. What do you think you're gonna do? Or hurry. I'll hold him off.
I'll cover you.
Dory's got the worst weapon specials, hey. He's like
Yeah.
the new Johnster.
Hurry up, guys.
Alright, we're ready, Let's go.
I'm trying to. These guys try to clear the path in front of us. Hold on.
Doyle, do you want some pills?
Where is? Wow, the 100. Oh, she's getting me.
Actually, you don't really need them.